Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan, and this is Casper, a 2010 Mini Cooper S convertible. In today's video, I'm gonna be replacing this antenna here with a shorter one because I don't really like the looks of this long one, and it's already starting to basically, come off anyway. So I decided to basically replace it with this stubby one, which is this one here. It's actually a lot smaller. Here's a comparison. It's gonna make it a little bit more sporty, and overall it'll look really good. So I'm gonna be installing it right now. All right, so it's pretty simple on how to actually replace the antenna. All you do is just unscrew this one, and then you just replace it with this one. Just like this. It's a little bit better than the older one. It's not going to corrode anytime soon because it's actually rubber, and yeah, I like this one better. So as a comparison, they kind of look like Harry Potter ones, but anyway, as a comparison, this is how long the original one was, and this is how long the new one is. So it makes it look so much sportier. Makes it look so much sportier. That's really nice, isn't it? So yeah, that's what I thought I would do today, is replace the antenna and show you guys how amazing it looks, and totally recommend a short antenna. So they actually make them even smaller. They have some that are like this small. They even have some that are this small. I chose the longer one because it's a little bit cheaper than the other ones. The shorter you get, the tinier all the stuff is inside. So you just have to make sure you like whichever price point you're wanting to do. And so yeah, this is my 2010 Mini Cooper, and I think it's pretty nice in here. A few things that I will be getting is little cup holders, which let me cut on a light. There you go. I'm probably gonna put new cup holders in here, little inserts, probably like the checkered flag or whatever, and I really want a new phone mount. The phone mount that I actually bought for the Mini Cooper, it hangs from the mirror, but it's not actually good because this little button right here, it's in the way, so it doesn't really grasp onto the mirror very well. So I think the phone holder that I got is mainly for the mirrors that don't have any kind of buttons or anything like that, to make it, to where it doesn't latch onto it or whatever. So anyway, yeah, that's what I think I was gonna do. And another thing that I ordered, which if you're viewing this video, I already ordered it, but it's a new center cap for this wheel, because whenever I bought it, it didn't have one. The previous owner, I guess, it fell off or it broke or something, so it's gonna look like this here. And eventually, maybe like next year or so, I'm probably gonna get new rims for the tires. And yeah, so this isn't the John Works model, it's just the regular Cooper S, but it does have a turbo in it, and it's pretty nice. It's very fast, and it's really nice. And this car has actually been garage kept, so I am gonna totally keep it garage kept, so it lasts a long time, and I'm gonna keep up the maintenance up on it and everything. So I'm excited about it. And if you want to know any more about the Mini Cooper, I'm gonna do a little mini series and get it mini series of all the little cool features that I found out on the car, like the foldable mirrors and all that other kind of cool stuff. I'll probably be making a new video about that here in the near future. So if you want to view more, stick around, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification so you'll get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.